Can you wake up and taste the coffee? Get it? See what I did there? Can you dig it with the coffee? Can you wake up? Hello, fellow fans, coffee lovers, fellow coffee lovers, and people of the internet. My name is Haley. I am your local resident brew guide, your brew assist, if you catch my drift. That was a tally joke. Here to talk to you about a really awesome Kenya that we have from Bold Bean Coffee Roasters. Shout out to Bold Bean. They've been partners of ours for a long time, and we're stoked to work with them again. From Bold Bean and Catalyst Trade, we have a delicious washed Kenya for you. Before I tell you about this coffee, of course, you know I'm going to get into how I am brewing it. So I'm doing standard 4-stage pour, a little bit different on the ratio. I'm doing 22.5 grams of coffee into 350 grams out. I am brewing at 202 degrees, a little bit cooler than my standard 205. I wanted to bring out that really nice, like sweetness. I am a Q grader. Ode plus SSP is what I was using to grind this coffee. I was at a setting 5, which is a 4 on Ode Gen 2 and a 3 about on Ode Gen 1, and sort of in the medium finer end of the world. And then I am going to do a 4-stage pour. So I bloomed at 50 grams, broke bloom like 35-ish seconds in. And then I'm gonna go 150, 250, and 350. After my final pour, I'm gonna wait till the water level goes down just a little bit. And then I am going to do 10 to 12 swirls. So just a little bit of gentle agitation at the end. Now, as I finish brewing this coffee, I'm going to tell you why it's so cool. So it's a fully washed Kenya, super clean, still high sweetness present. It is a Kenya Nyeri, and it is, as I said, just so clean, so delicious, really bringing in those summer flavors with fellow drops. If you're looking for espresso suggestions as well for this coffee, feel free to head over to the Brew Guide on our Brew Guide blog post. It's all laid out for you there. We're doing our best to bring you more espresso guidance as we progress. Thank you so much for being here for that, for talking to us about it. We're stoked on it, and we hope you are too. I'm going to go ahead and give this coffee 10 to 12 gentle swirls. So here we go. And you'll notice that when I say swirls, I'm actually watching the water swirl around, and I tend to count that way versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and like actually watching my hand swirl. Anyway, my name is Haley. I have been and will be your local resident Q grader. Thank you so much for joining me for this Fellow Brew Guide video. As always, it is easy to order from Fellow Drops. All you have to do is text us back the number of bags you would want. If you don't text us back, we won't send you any coffee or charge you. We'll just text you next week with another delicious curated selection. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, Bold Bean, again for partnering with us on this delicious drop. And I will see you next week with another Brew Guide video. Have a good week, y'all.